So we're here with Austin, and he's going to show us a video of his latest and greatest monster trucks. All right, take it away, Austin.
This one is Bounty Hunter. This one is Monster Rower. This one is Zombie. This one is Bad Habit. This one is Ninja Turtle. This one's Greater Good Legend. This one's the regular Greater Good. Ooh, you know I have 2 Greater Girls? You know I have 3 Greater Girls?
Are they all there?
Yes. This one's Superman. See, I have 2 Greater Girls and 1 more. This one is Greater.
Yeah.
I have 2 Bad Habits, right? This one's Bad Habit.
Yeah.
This one's Max D. Oh, you know I have to have 2 Max Ds. This one's Maximal Destruction. This one is Greater Good Legend. This one is Monster Rat Rattler. Actually, I have 3 Monster Rat Rattlers. This one is Toloco. This one. Which one is this?
Which one?
This one.
Metal Militia, right?
This one's Metal Militia. Actually, I have 2 Metal Militias.
Okay, we just have a few more seconds. So, is there another one you want to point out?
What's this name?
Let's see this side. Iron Outlaw.
This one's Outlaw. This one's Spikes. So this one, which one is this one?
That's Spike. This is Brutus.
Brutus, Spike, Megabyte.
Oh yeah, lots of dogs.
That one's Zombie.
Okay, last thing you want to say before we go?
To where?
We have to turn the video off. I mean,
That one.
where's that one from?
Meriden.
Okay, where do you live?
Meriden.
All right. Have you seen that one live before?
Nope.
Didn't we see it at this summer when we went to the show in Maryland?
Yes.
All right, I gotta turn the video off.
Yes. Now let's watch the video.
Okay.